What's up everybody, my name is Aaron from DS18 and today we're going to talk about our BT2 Bluetooth controller. So today we're bringing you the BT2. The BT2 is a perfect way to stream your music wirelessly to your external amplifiers without having a radio. It's perfect for side-by-sides, jet skis, or even if you want to do a cooler build. So now we're going to go over the BT2's wiring and how to pair it. It's going to come with 4 wires, where the red wire will be your accessory on wire, the yellow wire will be your power wire which goes to your power source, the blue wire is your remote out that tells your amplifiers to turn on, and the black is your ground. And of course you have your RCA outs, which would be left and right, white and red. So to get this unit to power up, the first thing you want to do is connect the ground. And for this test we're going to connect the power and the accessory together so the unit gets power and knows to turn on. We don't recommend this in a regular setting because the unit will always stay on and not know to turn off. Usually it's hooked up to an ignition source or a switch. We're not going to be connecting the RCAs or the remote wire because we're not going to be using them for this test. So pairing the device is very simple. You just go into your Bluetooth menu, click on Bluetooth, wait for the BT2 to pop up, select BT2, wait for it to pair, and you're ready to start streaming your media. So there we have it, our BT2 from DS18. It's IP65 rated, it's the perfect Bluetooth device to stream all your music to your external devices. I've showed you how to wire it, I've showed you how to pair it, and I've gone through some troubleshooting. If you need any more information, go to ds18.com. My name is Aaron Zook from DS18 and we like it loud.